Hi everybody, Joe here, and right now we're going to go over Brick, which is a very interesting writing and publishing platform. So on the Brick homepage, and basically I've been calling this a blank canvas for writers. You just write, create, and it's there. You don't have to publish a page. You just type, embed, add images, create mini sites, support sites, note taking. A very, very cool tool, very clean, very lightweight. So let's log into our Brick account here. And here we go. This is the Brick.do dashboard. So you have your workspaces. And I just have it set up right now as Joe's space. And then you can set up other spaces, and you could share workspaces with each other, with other users, with people on your team. Here we go. On the left side are some of the Brick pages that I've created already, that I'm working on, that I set up. So we have that. Up here we have the copy public link. You want to send it to someone. Preview in tab, so you'll see what it will look like in the browser, and you'll see the title tag, the Joy of Memes. Joy of Memes is up here already. I have the subdomain memes.brick.do. Currently, if you stack 7 or more codes, you get unlimited subdomains. That may be changing soon, or there may be a limit on active ones. You can't just hoard and stack all the subdomains you want just to have them and not use them, so you have to keep them active. But the founder's been really cool with this, so I'm doing something with a memes Brick site, mini site. So I figured I'd grab memes.brick.do. So this is where you see the preview of what it looks like. And then collaboration, if you want to invite other users, join in, and this way you can both work on a project, share notes, etc. And then here's the design tab, which gives you the themes, basic themes. But the most powerful part of this is you can customize and add your own CSS, which they're using SCSS. And in here you can add custom code to change things, add your logo, change the header, background, hide things in the footer, etc. You could really do a lot here. So that's the overview of the workspaces. And then here's your account setup. They do backups, your subscription. Mine is the unlimited. I full stacked it. Unlimited subdomains, unlimited custom domains. Again, this is unlimited, but you don't want to really take too much advantage and just start taking all the subdomains, custom domains, because just the waste, because other people need to use it maybe for their company or support system. Weekly backups, priority support, bond settings, collaborative editing, customization features, no Google Analytics, unlimited collaborative personal, collaborative workspace, unlimited pages, 200. So I have 200 collaborative workspace users. That's pretty cool. So I can have the whole company and then some working together. That is the whole, the basic dashboard overview. All right, let's have some fun with Brick and get started here. Let's create a new page, and let's just name it Joe's World. And then we could type whatever we want here, put text here to get an idea, and say we want to insert, we can insert an image, HTML, page links, media, anything we like in this section. Sometimes I like to look, let's say we wanted to go to Giphy and put a search for some funny GIFs. This one's funny right away. All right. You could right click on it, the image, or you could do a share. Either way, let's see if this works. Let me delete that. Get rid of the text. Just put that in there. It's pretty funny. Now it's live. You know, it's already here. So if we preview in tab, boom, Joe's World. Now you see it's page.brick.do/ all that stuff. You can go over here into Joe's World. Me, the dog. I mean, no, doesn't work. But he's very cute. We can go over here and click on the 3 dots, add domain, and do a subdomain or a custom domain. But I usually do a sub. Let's see. I don't know if Joe is even available. Nope. Someone has it. It could be me. I don't know. But let's say we want what's a good name? We could just do Joey. Joey.brick, right? So I have now joey.brick.do. So when we preview in tab, .do. That could change your font compared to, you know, to what subdomains available. So if we want, we just change it to, and again, there's no publish button. Whatever you're typing, that's what's going to be out there. So sorry if you hear yelling in the background. That's my daughter Scarlett, she's 2, or Leah, she's 4, or my wife yelling at me for doing video reviews of writing tools. I'm not gonna tell you her age because, you know, she'll get mad at me, but it happens. So right now it's probably Scarlett yelling in the background. She's watching Bubble Guppies. So now we're looking at Joey's World and we have this page going here. But this looks a little awkward, you know, with the text to the side there. So what do? You know, you have this centered and the title H1 to the left. We can go into design, customizations, and this is where knowing some CSS helps. We go to page title. Okay, page content. You can go to the headings later, but the page title, we would do text align, enter. And then I always add the important part. Okay, see, it centers it. So, well, there's Scarlett. Hey, Scarlett. Want to come on camera? No, she's scared. She sees the dog and she's not happy about that. Knowing some CSS helps, but if you need help, you can go to the SCSS link that's right here, and it'll bring you to a page that will kind of instruct you on documentations and stuff like that that might assist you to fix some coding, you know. See, that was a quick fix just by going to the design tab, customizations, and adding that code. So page title, text align, center important, that will shift that. Parts you can adjust within Brick. You know, there's a lot of stuff that it allows you to change. Right here, they give you the buttons and the options to do that. Like, you know, we could put some text here. Actually, I should probably just do like, welcome to, okay. And then we could double click on this P, get to an H2, heading 2 tag, you know, and then we'll have intro to my world. Now, as I'm typing this is all live. So that's what makes it so great, you know. There's no publish button. Anything you do is live, and anyone you share the link with, it goes out there. You know, people can share it, do whatever they want. If you keep it in house, no one else will know about it. But I believe the Brick is working on having a real true privacy settings. That way you can do note-taking in-house behind the scenes that you don't want people to have access to, which would really be awesome. They do that. So we have intro to my world. Now when you go here, edit block, you can you could add an image after it, but again, you can just, if you wanted to make an H3, left just H3. You want to go back to that's fine. You know, you can make it bold by double clicking on it, italic, font family, change it to Georgia, change it to Verdania, whatever font you want. You can change the color here. So you have the P paragraph in front of it to edit the block. Then you can double click onto it and change all these settings. Highlight it, underline it, you know, make it into a link, add some code to it. Very cool tool. And again, whatever you type, you know, I am typing. It's saving what I wrote up there. It's live. So there's no, you just go. For writers out there, you just want to type, create, boom, put it out there. It's out there. All right, so back to my Brick page, Joey's World, and say I just want to delete this, and everything that I'm doing is live right now. Again, previewing tab, deleted, gone. It's like a true online journal. So I can start typing, you know, a note saying, speaking of bricks, I just changed my daughter's diaper. Well, diaper. I can't spell. Let's go preview and tab. It's there. Speaking of bricks, I just changed my daughter's diaper. Yeah. I don't even know if I spelled it right, but I'll come back and change it later. Now say, I want to add more to this page, right? And we could do it in the design section, CSS, change it up there. But if you want to add a video, movie, something, you can go to YouTube. There's playing with Legos in the background as well right now. She's throwing them everywhere. So that's there are more bricks. Let's say let's see. Let's put in 80s music hits, right? 80s. Pick a pick a song. 80s, maybe 80s. Whatever you search for, you know. Always skip ad. I mean, YouTube's driving me nuts with this, so I can see what the song is. Oh, that's a good song. All right. Copy and paste that. My Brick page here. And we'll go to insert media. I'll paste it. Let's see. I was doing this. My daughter's diaper, and now a video is playing below it. That's kind of fun. You can see the capability or scalability of Brick. There's a lot you can do here. It literally is a blank canvas for writers and content creators. I know you have WordPress out there and other platforms, but nothing like this, that once you put something on your Brick page, that it's live immediately. Right, we're going back to Joey's World, or Joey.brick. Now, we have this thing here, publish with Brick, on the bottom of every page by default. So we can change that. We go to the page and go to design, customizations. We go down to page footer. You want to change the page footer to display none. That's the key. Scroll down, preview and tab. No more Brick on the bottom. So that's freebie right there. All right.
Okay.
We want the noisemaker. She showed up for the video. All right. You want to hang out with Daddy and talk about Brick? Hi, Scarlett. Wait. See, that's you. You're right there. Hi. Oh, now she's quiet. Oh,
Whoa.
yeah. You like Brick?
They talk about that.
Yeah, that's a dog. Music video. Click on that. Oh, we have the preview and tab. Look, this is the page.
Oh,
You like the music? Good? Too much? Alright. You don't have to worry about that. You can add to...
yeah.
Oh, no. There. So we could go to Joey's World and add a page if you want. Page will be under, you know, Joey's World. So it could be about me. And then about. So now all of a sudden, let me move myself over here. I have Joey's World, about me. Say I need gallery, me have the pages where you preview and tab and you see Joey's World with what we have on the home page, and then you have an about me, a gallery, and a contact me. So this is what everyone's seeing out there, you know, in the public. It's very, very cool feature for users and for your money site hosts to have out there, to create these little pages that can direct traffic possibly to the money site, to the money page, main website. You can blog, you can write, you can do everything you want. And you can make this into a support ticket system, you know, for your clients, which is another great feature. All right, for support feature, we ran through like the mini site part and note-taking part. Say we want to have a page set up for clients. So we can go here in the workspace area, create a new workspace, and then we'll call it the agency name, right? Okay, now we have that. So now we're under the agency workspace, right? And you have the Brick user guide that I can go through and see the instructions. But we can, under the agency name, whatever you want to call it, you know, you can go back into the settings and call it, you know, all right. You have that name. It's here. It's good. There you go. You can change it at any time. As I say, once you type it, it's out there. Now, under Joe's agency or any agency, you have a new client. Yeah, we have, I don't know, Pete's Plumber. His name. Have Pete's Plumber under Joe's agency. Go right away. Grab that. 3 dots. I know. Alright, so we're good. So you preview and tab. You have Pete's Plumber.brick.do. Joe's agency. I have Pete's Plumber. And then I could just write here, you know, site, you know, do this and do that. If we have any like images to post, or they have a screenshot somewhere that I could put in, you know, say I want to like, okay, I'll show Pete's Plumber. All right, here we go. It's like, you know, you have a couch, screenshot, we something else. We can insert an image. We can insert a video. If we have a screen share, let me see if I have you know, we have a YouTube video. Gotta say, all right, you want to know how to handle this? You want to draw a shark? Maybe, I don't know. You never know. All right, tell them, and then but under him, Pete's Plumber, that's Pete's Plumber. But then I want to add more pages. I want to say how to update your website, you know. Step 2, basically make updates. So you can see how having these mini sites under Joe Agency is so good, because once we preview and tab, we send out this link under the agency name to PetesPlumber.brick.do to the client, and have a support website through Brick made for them, just for them. So that is value that Brick provides. One of the values. I mean, one of the great things. There's so much more. If you're a writer, Brick's great. But as an agency, this is a very cool feature. And I'm already using it with my clients, and they love it. They have somewhere to go. They have their own little web page. Very cool. So with Brick, and with the madness behind me, as you've heard through this video, my girls are just running around like crazy because they're so excited about Brick and whatever Daddy's doing on the computer right now. Yeah, of course. But with Brick, so we have basically you have a, like I said in the beginning and again throughout the video, it's a blank canvas for writers, creators, SEOs to do whatever you want with this tool. You could have it as a in-house support ticket, you know, share notes between friends like a Nimbus or a Notion. And once I think the founder gets the privacy permissions set up, it will be this will be one of the tools you hear of with the other two tools out there that we hear of so much. But for mini sites, to set up your own websites, I just covered like a few things here and there. To like, you could set up little mini websites out there and then backlink to your money site, or just to have little like social media, you know, share like fun memes or pictures or vacation or whatever you want. You could use Brick for like a diary. Brick's like a online diary, which I know everyone else in the world uses Twitter for these days, or Instagram, but it would be good to have like, you have your own Brick page, you know, be great. Just, you always want all your traffic to go somewhere, so why not go to your Brick page, to your joe.brick.do page. But though I didn't get the Joe, I think I got Joey, right? Well, whatever domain you get, subdomain. But then the other feature, besides the note-taking and the mini sites page, is the support part of it. You can create for your clients their own little Brick page with all the notes, all the documents, everything there for them, and you share it to them in the email. Say, hey, go to your own little Brick page, you know, companyaa.brick.do. And they're impressed. They're like, oh, I got my own page, my own support page. Anytime I have to go to look through my notes. I go to company.a.brick. Do everything's there. Very cool. So for the freelancers out there and agencies, having Brick as a support page is great. It's an extra add-on, and it works. So I like Brick. Like I said, blank canvas. Do what you want. It has many use cases. If you're a writer, you're gonna love Brick because you just write. It's live. If you're a web developer, you can support your clients through Brick. If you're just a wacky person like me, hey, you can just put memes and GIFs on Brick and share it on social media. Look at that. And you can customize it. All I've shown you tonight is the basics, but you can customize your Brick mini sites, support pages, front pages, whatever it is, with CSS, SCSS. You can do it all. So I like Brick. Don't want limitations? Try Brick. Let me know. Thanks. And sorry for the kids in the background making noise, throwing bricks and Legos around to this whole process. But they like Brick too.